Hi everyone, welcome to video lecture 6 of EMQM 5103 Project Quality Management. My name is Kanisar Muthusamy, your facilitator for this video. Here I will guide you through the 6th topic, Understanding and Analyzing Project Processes. At the end of this session, you should be able to identify quality tools for understanding project processes, utilize the tools for understanding and analyzing project process. In the previous topic, we have discussed an important step in managing the quality of a project, which is collecting and understanding data. Next, the data will be processed in order to produce results. Then the results will be analyzed to facilitate the improvement or mitigation of any quality issues affecting the project. The results will relate to the whole process of the project to ensure that it will meet the quality requirements of the customer. There are 3 types of quality tools for understanding project processes: flowchart, run chart, and control chart. A flowchart shows a series of sequence of activities in a whole process. A flowchart will have the start and end point, processes, decisions, and circulation of the processes. Flowcharts use specific shapes to represent different types of actions or steps in a process. Start, end. An oval represents a start or end point. Arrows. A line is a connector that shows relationships between the representative shapes. Input or output. A parallelogram represents input or output. Process. A rectangle represents a process. Decisions. A diamond indicates a decision. In order to properly use a flowchart, you can follow the steps shown in this slide. Set boundaries. Show the details of the process framing and access level. Determine the steps, identify the basic framework for inputs, outputs, activities, and decisions. Establish sequence. Consider the proposed priority of the process. Draw the flow. Finalize the chart so it is easier to be read and understand. Test flow. Test the flow chart for completeness and accuracy. Finalize chart. Indicate start and end points, activity points, decision points, connecting points, and direction points. An example of a flow chart is shown in this slide, which depicts the process of placing a textbook on the course reserve list at the university library. A second quality tool for understanding quality project process is a run chart, which observes process performance over time. The run chart is constructed with a center line and the expected data is located within the line, which shows the repeatable processes are stable around the center line. There are 3 steps to construct a run chart as indicated in this slide. First, identify process. Show the results consistently. Correct data. Get the right data of approximately 20 to 35 data items. Create graph. Plot an XY axis graph and calculate the mean. Let us see the following example of a run chart depicting a customer complaints over time. Based on the chart, the number of customers complaints up and down from the month of January until September. The lowest number was recorded in July and the highest was in June. A control chart is a complex tool for controlling, monitoring, and improving processes over time. Data are plotted in time order. A control chart always has a center line for the average, an upper line for the upper control limit, and a lower line for the lower control limit. These lines are determined from the historical data. Let us review an example of control chart as shown in this slide. Based on the chart, almost all data were inside the upper and lower control limit except for data number 3, where it fell below the lower control limit. This process is said to be out of control due to this point number 3, which is due to a special cause and need immediate attention to identify the root cause. Here, I would like you to attempt this question in the My Inspire forum. I hope that you have understood what we have discussed in this video. Just to recap, 3 types of quality tools for understanding project processes are flowcharts, run chart, and control charts. A flowchart shows a series of sequence of the activities in a whole process. It will indicate the start and end point processes, decisions and circulation of the processes. A run chart observes the process performance over time. It is constructed with a center line and the expected data is located within the line, which shows the repeatable processes are stable around the center line. A control chart is a useful and complex tool for controlling, monitoring and improving processes over time. It is also good for analyzing repeatable processes where the expected result is stable over time. Wish you all the best in your studies. Goodbye for now and thank you.